How to make all pictures of same size in Word. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So as you can see, there are two pictures here. So in order to change its size, simply tap on the picture, go to format, and from here change its size like this. Remember the size that you changed in this picture and apply it to the other one as well. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.